Alright everyone, I'm about to do a headlight restoration. Sorry about the noise, but as you can see, I'm outside in the main street. As you can see, it's it's a little bit clear on this side, but on here it's all smudgy and fogged up. Let's go and see on the other side. Pretty much this one's a little bit better, but as you can see, there's some fog. It's kind of blurry on this side, starting to fog up there, but I'm gonna do a restoration. So I bought this kit. Let me turn around. Sorry about that. Hey, yep. So I bought this kit in Canadian Tire. Turtle wax. So this thing has pretty much, it has a you don't need a buffer for this because it has it uses chemical and wipes. Let me unbox this. I know it comes with 2-pad wipe, but come on, this guy doesn't come out. But whatever. So, kits come with this. Gloves. Spray lubricant. So this one is for when you sand. During sanding, you would use that to spray, and here are the two types of sand. Not sure what the size is. So it has number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it has all 4 different sizes. But yeah. And lastly, not lastly, but this one here is for further sanding. Support the buffing, but lastly, this one is the last coating, which is gonna make the sanding more well, it's gonna make everything brighten up afterward. So I'm gonna give it a go. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I think my car needs a restoration for at least the the passenger side anyway. So there you have it. I'll take a after video just to show you guys the difference. Okay, there you have it. So I cleaned the headlight, and now I taped. Couldn't find any tape, so I used this tape to tape around the paint, because I might be doing some scrubbing, but we'll see. So this will help you, prevent you from scratching the paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the cleaning. Sorry, I couldn't do it with one hand, so I'm gonna have to turn it off and come back and show it to you. So I'm almost finished at my second last stage. All I need to do is put on the wipe and the seal, and it should be good. See, even though I haven't put on the final sealant yet, it looks very clear compared to earlier. Same goes with this side. I turn on the light. Very clear. So So I'm gonna go apply the last coat, second last coat, and then the last coat. Okay, everyone. So last night I was about to finish the I guess the restoration, but I didn't have time to record this because it's starting to be dark. So I didn't want to record it in the dark. But as you can see, this is my new light. Well, restored light. It looks much better than before. So I got that for 15 bucks. I mean, it's better than buying a brand new the light. So sorry I couldn't record the process of me doing the restoration, but maybe I could describe it in detail. But as you can see, there's a big difference between yesterday and today. So I let it cure. The wiping of this is the last wipe that comes with the kit. It's sort of like a protective layer. It dries really fast on the wipe itself, but I guess that last protective layer actually give it a even better shine. But there you have it. That's my restoration. If you have any question, let me know. Thanks for watching.